Hi sweetie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to your channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet Irish Crochet Lace applique. This video is dedicated to you, so let's crochet together. Start the magic ring and chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 20 double crochets in this ring. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Pull the tail end to tighten and make a slip stitch in third chain. Okay, make a slip stitch in third chain. Chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains and skip 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches and make a single crochet in 7th stitch. Make chain 7 and skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches and make a single crochet in 7th stitch. Chain 7 and skip 6 stitches and make a slip stitch in first stitch. Okay, make a slip stitch in first stitch. Make a single crochet in first space. Make 12 double crochets in same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 and make a single crochet in same space. Make a single crochet in next space and repeat. Make 12 double crochets in same space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Make a single crochet again and keep going in last space. I crocheted all around and make a slab stitch in first single crochet. Remove your hook and turn your work. Insert your hook in this loop of first single crochet, these 2 loops of single crochet, then pull through. Make a slab stitch in next 2 legs of first double crochet and make a slab stitch in next 2 legs of second double crochet and chain 7 or chain 8. Now 1 2 3. Okay, make a single crochet in 11s in these 2 loops of 11s double crochet. Make a single crochet and chain 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 chains and 1 2 3. Make a single crochet in second double crochet, these 2 loops of second double crochet of next petal, chain 7 and 1 2 3. Make a single crochet in these 2 loops of 11s double crochet, chain 7, 1 2 3 spaces, and the last time chain 7 and 4 5 6 7 chains, 1 2 1 2 3. Make a single crochet in these 2 loops of second double crochet and turn. If you have 7 chains, please crochet a single crochet and 12 triple crochets and make a single crochet in each space. If you have 8 chains, please crochet a single crochet and 14 triple crochets and make a single crochet in each space. Now I'm going to crochet a single crochet and 12 triple crochets and make a single crochet again in each space. And the last time. pull through 3 times. At the end, make a single crochet again. Make a single crochet in next space. Make 12 triple crochets in same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 and make a single crochet again. Repeating all spaces. At the end, make a single crochet and make a slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for the visit. Every like and comment inspires us to create more, so don't forget to like, share your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Bye!